have an allowance of an eighth of an inch. So, and then here, 42 and a quarter, all complete.
All right, today we're gonna bring a set of pencils and scribers too. Now, included with it, they give you a bunch of lead, all right? So you don't have to worry about anything out of the box. Everything's included. The pencils come included with lead already too. Now, I have these at the shop here because we take a lot of measurements. We do a lot of precise cuts. So this is a very handy to keep in hand. Also, they have for the actual, you could clip it on to your belt or your pocket protector if you have one. And just put it together on your toolkit. So we're gonna put it together and see how it looks. With the pencil set, this is what you get. This is a scriber, right? And it comes with an actual protector here. So you can scribe things. This is a metal. It's pretty much a diamond cut head, if you guys can see that. So very sharp. So just be careful with that one. And then of course, different size of leads, all right? This is a lead pencil. So huge lead pencil. This is the largest one that they have in here. And the other ones are smaller ones, of course. These are the types of different lead pencils that we have. We have here 1.3 millimeters, 2.0, 2.0, and then the largest one we have, which is the 2.8, all right? Now, included with it, that I like that they give you a bunch of different types of lead, all right? So if you're gonna do any kind of graphic design or maybe works on some blueprints and you wanna make sure you color the stuff properly, you have color lead pencils, extra erasers, you got the sharpener, different types of sharpener, and an eraser, and the types of actually leads that the pencils require.
Okay, so now I'm gonna measure the steps to make sure I have an accurate measurement. So first thing you do, you mark a number that is an even number because you don't want to bend your tape for the measurement. So I mark 10 inches. Then you go around the other side and it's 32 and an eighth plus the 10 inches, that's 42 and an eighth.
Right on.
That's to double check. And so you could sketch out your step. The front is 42 and an eighth, and then we're gonna double check the back as well to see if it's out of square. Make sure you hang your pencil, otherwise you lose it all the time. So you can either put it here on your pocket, that way you don't lose it. So we're gonna trace this template. We're good right there, and that's all we need. So we've marked the side that you're going. I like to mark the front. So this is the front of the steps. A lot of guys will mark the back, but I like to mark the front of my steps.